Hello everyone, I'm marketing software for free, and today I'm going to show you how to send mass messages on Facebook using MKT Care software. Before we begin, you'll need two things, the UID of the customer list you want to message and the content of your message. For the UID, you can use MKT UID software to scrape group members on Facebook related to your business or any group you think your potential customers might be in. Additionally, this software can also scrape posts, live streams, and friends from a profile, resulting in a high-quality customer list. Once the scraping is complete, you'll receive an Excel file. Copy the UID column and paste it into the UID list section in the viral marketing feature. Next, you'll need to prepare 5 to 10 different message contents for the software to rotate. This will prevent your account from being flagged and blocked. A quick way to do this is to create one message and then use AI to generate variations. You can then make minor adjustments and copy them into the content management section. After completing the above steps, it's time to set up your accounts. Depending on the number of accounts you have and their performance, you can adjust the number of threads running simultaneously. It's recommended to set a limit of 15 to 20 messages per account to avoid being flagged. You can also choose to like the UID's personal posts to increase credibility. Finally, simply click the Start button and wait for the software to run. You'll see the software automatically log into your account, search for UIDs in the list, and send messages using one of the 5 to 10 templates you've prepared. It's simple and effective, isn't it? This software will help you find customers directly and save you a lot of time. If you want to learn more about this tool and try a demo, please leave a comment below. I'll get back to you. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future marketing software tutorials. Thank you for watching. I'm marketing software for free.